Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to unbox, review and test the speed of this TP-Link 150 Mbps wireless adapter. So as you can see, this is the box, and uh, let's open this. So there is this CD provided with this. I did not need this. This is a plug and play device. Maybe some people might need it. And this is the manual. Please pause the video and take a look. So now we can see the device, and let's test this on my laptop. So I've connected the device right now, and as you can see, the speed is good. I have a 50 Mbps connection and there are other devices connected to it right now, so this is the maximum possible speed that is being delivered through my router, and I think this is working great. The only problem I found with this was sometimes the speed is slow. I just disconnect it and connect it back, so it works great. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching guys, and I would definitely recommend this, and the link to buy this is in the description below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.